Welcome to Nia Imagination. Today I will teach you how to make Punjabi tea. First of all, switch on this stove on high. Okay. Then add almost half cup of water. I am making a big cup and let it boil. See, it is boiled. Bubbles are coming up. Now add 1 spoon of tea. I have added 1 spoon of tea. Now you can add green cardamom, tea and sugar. Green cardamom for normal, and if you have headache, then you can add black cardamom. You can have these cloves like this. These are cloves. You can add ginger, small amount of ginger. This will help to get rid of headache. Now it's almost boiled. Now I will add some sugar, almost half spoon of sugar. It is low fat, so that I am adding half spoon of sugar, and I am adding this green cardamom. I have already crushed. I have added this cardamom. Now let it boil easily. Let it boil and take its time. You can add basil leaves as well, because it will raise concentration in studies. Basil leaves means tulsi. We can call this tulsi or tulsa in Hindi. You can add basil leaves as well. It will raise concentration in studies. So it will raise mind power of students as well. So almost boiled. Now I will add some milk. I am adding almost half cup of milk. I have added half cup of milk and let this milk boil. See, bubbles are coming up. Now this tea is raising. We are making this on high flame. As it raises, just shake somewhat and let it raise again. Let it boil again. So boil it at least 4 to 5 times, so that it will raise its taste. Its taste will become more good, more rich in taste. Do this procedure 4 to 5 times, so that it will properly made. My tea is almost ready. Switching off my flame. Now I have switched off my flame. Now take a sieve like this, and I am pouring it into a mug. Now this is 1 big cup tea which is ready. Please subscribe Nia Imagination and enjoy this tea with any type of snacks. Keep watching Nia Imagination. Thank you.